Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel if you are a newcomer, and welcome back if you are an all-timer. And maybe I shouldn't use that word, but y'all know what I mean, okay? I'm grateful that everyone's here, okay? Thank you very much. I'm Crafty Court, and I am going to get right into this tutorial. As you can see, I've already started and I'm so far behind. That is a 2x4 wood plank wood board, and it is finished, and I decided to coat it with some white gesso. I don't know why. There's a reason why, I just can't think right now. Anyway, that mirror right there, I bought from the Habitat for Humanity Restore, and it was about $20. And I think it's maybe about 2.5 feet in diameter. And I only want to use the mirror part. So I am right here removing the back and the frame that's attached to it. That glue was really hard to just pick off, so we'll get rid of that a little bit later. I didn't really know exactly what I was doing at this point. I think I was just kind of going with the flow, and I just decided if I just start, the idea will come to me eventually, and it did. And I got a clue of, exactly what I wanted to do around this part. Because as you can see, I did not even paint that middle part on that side, because I was like, why am I painting this whole thing when the mirror is going to go on top? And we're using Gorilla Glue for this project, not on our hair, but on our projects. And you must dampen the surface first. And I probably went a little too far with the glue. I don't know, but I want to make sure these mirrors are secured, because I cannot have these things falling in the middle of the night, scaring the bejeebies out of me. I cannot have that happening. So I put the weights on there, and it's set for until the next day. And I did get that glue off. And really, this part was unnecessary. I only needed to get the glue off around the edges of the mirror, that part right there where it's not attached to the board. And I pretty much used everything that I already had on hand at home. This is the gold foil leaf that I usually use on some of my projects. And I just was really going with it. I just was like, how can I make this stand out? How can I make this bold? If you do this, please plan what you're going to do. I was just going with the flow, but it was becoming very frustrating because I didn't have a plan. So this mirror was already attached, which was getting in my way most of the time. So it would have been better if I had prepared the mirror first and done the board, on its own, and placed the mirror on there after everything was done. All I needed to do was trace where the mirror would be and stay away from those areas as far as my art goes. And that is Mod Podge and decorative filler that I put on the sides of the mirror here. And I added that fine gold glitter to make it sparkle and, just a little razzle dazzle, nothing too much. And I didn't record this part before. This is when I added some epoxy resin as a layer to secure the decorative filler and the glitter. Cleaning the mirror, because I have decided to give this mirror a border. So we're using the Mod Podge once again, and then I'll add some black fine glitter to it. And I think I had to do that part maybe 6 different times. It was a lot. That right there is Mod Podge glue spray, and this is how I secure glitter on all of my projects. It's really a finishing touch. I had to break out the toolbox, y'all. I had some hanging anchors already, and I had to use my drill to, drill into the board. I was like, oh shoot, Corey, you doing some new things now. Okay then. So that's the wire, because I had to create my own hanging mechanism. So this was different for me. Woo! And this is it. And you can really hang this vertical or diagonal. I'm going to try both a little bit later on, but we just did vertical for this. And it's beautiful. It's a full body mirror. It creates an illusion that I have a wide living room. So I do love that about this. So anyway, I am glad that you all came and watched, and I hope you continue to be inspired. Thank you.